Hello friends, this is Himanshu, and today I'm going to demo an application created by me which is called MV Text Analysis. It is a review analysis application where we crawl the reviews from any product and try to identify what is being said about the different aspects of the product. This application can be specifically used by different sellers who are selling their products on e-commerce platforms to understand users' feedback on different aspects of their products, which can in turn help them in improving their products and hence improving customer satisfaction and their revenues. So currently my application only supports Amazon.com. So we'll just go there. So let's take a shirt for example. Currently we'll take a product which doesn't have too many reviews so that we can quickly crawl all the reviews available. Okay, so let's take this long sleeve woven shirt from Burnside. So like Burnside can be one of our potential customers. Is creating this shirt and it's selling it on Amazon.com. So to use our product, you need to just copy this product URL on Amazon and go to our application, which is currently deployed on Amazon at this particular link. So we go here. We have logged in with the guest login credentials. So currently the credentials are guest as a username and guest as a password. To use the application, we need to, it's a three-step process, which is we in short call get, set and go. First we get the data, then we set the aspects that we want to analyze about, and then we start analyzing. So first we get the data. In get data, we create multiple data sources, and a data source is simply a URL as mentioned. So we can say Burnside shirt. That's the name of my URL, and I've pasted my URL here. When I click on this get data and save, my application is behind the scenes going to all the review pages for this particular product. So around 86 reviews were there. So they are like spread around 9 pages, 9 different web pages, and all the 9 different web pages are crawled and the reviews are stored in a NoSQL database. Once we have got this data source, which we can see here, we can edit it or delete it, and similarly we can add as many data sources as we want. So these data sources can be from any e-commerce platform. Once the data source has been created, we create some aspects. So aspect is simply a property of the product we are interested in only. So some of the properties of a shirt would be, say, the fabric. And let's create some more aspects. So what the people think about price. When we create the aspects, we can even enter synonyms of the aspect, which can help in understanding, which can help the software understand better the aspects and give better results. So some synonyms and some values the aspect can take, like expensive, cheap, etc. So these are some of the aspects we've created. Let's create one more. So say we have created these 3 aspects. So now we go analyzing. In the analyzing phase, we again create an analysis object. We call it analysis1. We select the data source. If we had like created multiple data sources, we could select any subset of them using this control. Similarly, for the aspects, we can create any number of aspects and we can choose whatever we want to choose among the present. Once you've done that, we just save it. So just like the aspects and the data sources, we can edit and delete a analysis object, or we can run the analysis. So here we ran this analysis and we had around 86 customer reviews, out of which we got these 120 extracted records. So let me show you these records in the beginning. So here are like some of the records, some sample records out of those 120. So what we have done is, from the text of the reviews, we have extracted the aspect that the user has provided, and we have extracted the value to which this extract is linked. So price hurt somebody, that like I was hurt by the price. This was a similar kind of sentence by Rajpal Bhandal. So we have given a negative rating to the sentence. The guy didn't like the price. Similarly, there is a positive rating by Sheena, who said I was a fan of this pricing, or it was a fair price. So that's the way. Fabric was cool was done by Michael Thompson. So this kind of attribute and attribute value pairs have been extracted out, and we show the attributes in this dashboard. So here we can like on the overall theme we can see that there are around 66% positive reviews and around 8% negative. These things can be seen in the tooltip, which probably are not available in the video recording. Similarly, we can see that around 75% of the reviews are from 2015 and another 25% from 2014. Similarly, we can see the month-wise breakdown and the day-wise breakdown of the reviews. The chart here is a bar chart, which is time series plot of the reviews. So we can see that there are like one bar here represents 1 week. It's a time series chart. We can see that there's some issue probably because the reviews are there. There is a big gap between the reviews. So like there are reviews in this period from December to February or something, and then there is no reviews in between, and reviews again start around September, October. So that's something to investigate about. Then we can see, like we mentioned, 3 aspects of the product: comfort, fabric and price. So we see 3 bars here. So these bars currently represent how many of these 120 pairs lie in a particular aspect. So fabric is discussed in 20 of such these key value pairs, and like in 50-50 of these pairs, fabric and price is being discussed. And in this attribute value, we have seen how the attribute values are extracted out. We are seeing the most based on frequency of these attribute values, the most frequent top 10 values. So this dashboard is quite interactive in itself. So like we can go around and see, probably we can go through that negative. So once we have selected negative here, only the negative reviews are negative records are selected now. So we can see all the negative records are only in 2015 on Saturday itself. So that's one thing, and like only 10 records are there which are negative, and all the 10 records were about price. So probably this shirt is very much expensive because all the negative reviews are about price only. People have said hurt. So that's one kind of analysis. Another thing possible here is instead of going only negative, we can just reset this filter and we can go aspect level thing. So if we go for price, we see that around 60% of the people are saying positive things about price, and a good 20% people are saying negative things about price. So this is the distribution of how many people are liking the price and how many people are not liking the price. Similarly, we can also do another thing. Here we can do timely kind of analysis. So like we have 2015 and 2014. So in 2014 there are like 10 10 10 records of all the 3 kinds, and it's a 66 and 33% breakdown on positive and neutral. While in 2015 some there is like some pie of this neutral area which has been eaten by the negative, and the negative crawled up and made 8%. If I remove 2014 from here, I still see 11% increase in the negative comments of this product. So that we can understand that the product got some more negative reviews as compared to 2014. So similarly, you can see it on a product aspect level. Like in 2014, if we just select 2015, there are like 10 reviews on comfort, and if I select 2015 there are 10 reviews, and in 2014 there are another 10 reviews. So you can see how the reviews are changing as per the time. So all this kind of analysis is possible using this dashboard. Feel free to give your responses or suggestions or feedbacks, and looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.